Alright, I'm still waiting, and I just broke my light, so I'm pissed off. Broke the shoe mount on my light, so still waiting for it. I hate waiting. One thing about Japan, they still love smoking their cigarettes, and you can pretty much smoke them anywhere, even in restaurants. Alright, so we got to get in line for this right now. We're about to start getting in line, and I'm about to trip. So, here we go.